So having known this one, now let us go ahead and see how to solve. Now from here we have f of x to be equals x over x plus 2. Now let y to be equals x over x plus 2. So from here we are going to have y times x plus 2 equals x. And so when you open parentheses with this, we are going to have yx plus 2y equals x. So from here, by arranging this expression, so we are going to have 2y to be equals x minus yx. Then we have 2y equals, what is common between this and this is x. This will be y. X over x divided by x will be 1. Yx divided by x here will be y. So we have 2y equals x times y, 1 minus y in parentheses. Let's divide through by this. 1 minus y in parentheses. 1 minus y in parentheses. So obviously, this will cancel out this. So we are going to have our x to be 2y over 1 minus y. So if you have this as this, then let us now recall we are given f of x to be equals x over x plus 2. Then we want to find, or we are asked to find f of 4x in terms of f of x. Then this implies f of 4x. From here, we just have to substitute x that we have here in the original problem as 4x. So here will be 4x over, from here we have 4x plus 2. So when we have this as this, so we have f of 4x equals 4x. Let's divide this as divided by 4x plus 2. Let's have them in parentheses. Then we are going to have f of 4x. We have 4. Our x, we got the value of x in the above as this. So when we substitute, we are going to have 2y over 1 minus y. Then all divided by, from here, we have 4. Our x also is 2y over 1 minus y. Then plus 2. So we have our f of 4x, 4 times 2y, this will be 8y over 1 minus y, divided by 4 times this will give us 8y over 1 minus y, then plus 2. We have to find the LCM. Let's divide this by 1. So we have this to be 4x equals 8y over 1 minus y divided by this. The LCM of this one will be 1 minus y. Now, 1 minus y divided by 1 minus y, we have it to be 1 times 8. Here will be 8y plus 1 divided by this. 1 minus y divided by 1 will give us 1 minus y times 2. We have here to be 2 times 1 minus y in parentheses. So we have our f of 4x to be 8y over 1 minus y divided by 8y. 2 times, let's open parentheses with 2. So here will be plus 2 times 1 will be 2, plus 2 times minus y will be minus 2y over 1 minus y. So from here we have f of 4x to be 8y over 1 minus y, then divided by this from here. When you have minus 2y plus 8y, this gives us 6y, then plus 2 over 1 minus y. Then from the law of the reciprocal, when we change this division to multiplication, this denominator will go to numerator. So we are going to have f of 4x equals 8y over 1 minus y. Let's change this to multiplication as this. This will go up. So we have 1 minus y over 6y plus 2. So from here, you can see this, we cancel out this. This will cancel out this. And we are going to have f of 4x equals 8y over, because here will be 1, 8y times 1 will be 8y. Then this will be 1 times this will be 6y plus 2. But when looking at this, we have 2 in common. So we can factor it out. Here will be 2. 8y divided by 2 will be 4y. Here, when you factor 2 out, here will be 2. 6 divided by 2 will be 3y. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So this will also cancel out this. Then we are going to have, so we have f of 4x to be equals 4y over 3y plus 1. Then from here, note that we have our y to be equals f of x. So therefore, we have f of 4x to be equals this for f of x over 3 f of x plus 1. And we have f of 4x in terms of f of x. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.